strongest battlegrounds, but if I die, I lose a keycap. As you see, I have a camera. Hand reveal, kinda. So, if I die, I'll lose a keycap from my keyboard, and how to pick my keycap, I have to bring the wheel. Okay? So, I hope I don't die, and let's go to public servers. Here I am in public servers, and I should use, who should I use so I don't die all the time? Okay, I'm thinking Garu, but that doesn't count by the way, I just changed my character. Okay, I don't want third party also, so who's here? Alone, okay, you. Aw. I didn't die yet. Okay. If he comes back, I'll be ready. Oh crap. He blocked. I hate trees. Woohoo! Oh! What the heck? Referee? Uh-oh.
Miss!
No, not friendly. No friendly. God! What? Yay! Okay. Third party here. He's a laggy person. No. No. I don't like trees. Oh, that is very invasive. Oh. No! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I might be cooked. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I'm dead. Okay. Okay. Z. Okay, that's okay. That's alright. Okay, what's the keycap for that? I don't know how these things work, so I'ma just. I saw a YouTuber or a video. It's like this way. It's much easier. It was Z, right? The sigma. Ah, I got it. Wait, chat. Should I change it to the keybinds I use in strongest battlegrounds? Yeah, let's do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 8, S, P. Now I'm gonna put the Z back and respin it. Okay. Oh. Okay. Space bar. Space bar. Bar. Okay. W. sig. Okay, I got it right here. It's gonna put B right here. Now, ooh, W. Ooh. Okay. Oh, this feels so weird. Oh crap. He's a noob. He's a noob. Okay. No, I'm dead. I'm dead for this. This guy too good. Oh.
Man.
Oh, he logged. Okay, they the destroyer. Oh, okay, the destroyer. Oh my gosh. I miss. Uh-oh. No, I want not to do it. Okay, it's fine. Dang, is he back to fight me? Ooh. Evasive. I'm cooked. Okay, this is evasive. So I should win this if I don't mess up. Oh, I'm cooked. Never mind, I'm not cooked. Yeah. Look, half HP. Gibbity. Real. Oh, thanks for the walk. Your turn? Okay. Oh crap. Oh, it feels so weird. Oh man. I walked into that.
Miss.
No way. Ooh, that weave. Hypery. Oh. I'm almost watching the game now. What's the bench? Oh. Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I got run. Ooh, yeah. Sonic. I want this kill. Ooh. Okay, I hope it's one of like these. I don't hope for anything. S. What the sigma? Okay. You guys see it? This part is harder because it's not being sigma, so got it. S. What's here? Okay. KJ. I want KJ. I want KJ. I want KJ. Ah, four elevator reward for KJ. Four elevator reward for KJ. KJ left. Gojo plays edits. I keep missing. I don't know why I'm this bad. Damn, he blocked that. Evasive? No. Oh my. Hey. Hey. Luffy, you're not getting my kill. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! I might be cooked here, chat. Uh-oh. They both went for me. Lock in. No! Wow. Wow. Okay, we'll... Actually, just take all of these. I need my move sets. Okay, no more. Okay, 2. This is easy because it's at the edge. I'm scared. Ah! Ah! Where'd you go? I got it, chat. Okay. See? Straight line. Oh. Okay. Could you please? Oh yeah. That was Gojo. Oh my gosh, that feels weird. He was English. Oh, I know that the perfect way to respond to that. It's probably say English or Spanish. Oh. Yeah, I'll try to avoid my number 2. My lethal whirlwind stream. I'm gonna try and avoid it. Oh, he's been calling me since. Imagine I had Kyoto with this. What is he saying? How do you do that? I don't like this guy. Fight back, please. The party. Imagine I hit that. Wow, it's one of those. My kill. I'll kill you later. Use evasive. I'll try hitting Kyoto with this. Why is Luffy a Sonic? Come on, use evasive. Oh my gosh. I'll try hitting Kyoto. What is he doing? Yay! Now I'll try it with shift lock. What the lag? I don't like it when that happens. Oh, hi. Counter. Uh-oh. Culture plays your nominee test subject. Oh, okay, I suck. Mr. Beast. And with the guy he had the wrist. GYATT. Okay. He left, okay. The next. Come back here! Okay, why am I like having like what the sick? Oh, use it. Please do my test subject. Oh, I did it! Uh-oh. I like that dance. Let's try. Double